How to hide your T-Mobile internet network, Wi-Fi, so it doesn't show up to other devices, keeping your connection private and secure. If you're worried about strangers seeing your Wi-Fi network or accessing it without permission, it's usually because your network is broadcasting its SSID name publicly. You might notice unknown devices connecting or your neighbors seeing your network on their lists. Don't worry, I'll show you how to hide your T-Mobile network step by step, so only devices you approve can connect and your Wi-Fi stays secure. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Log in to your T-Mobile gateway or router. Open a web browser on a device connected to your T-Mobile home internet. Go to 192.168.12.1 or the IP listed on your gateway sticker and log in using your admin username and password. Step 2. Go to Wi-Fi settings or wireless settings in the dashboard. This is where you can manage your network name, SSID, password, and visibility. Step 3. Disable SSID broadcast. Find the option labeled SSID broadcast, broadcast network name, or similar. Turn it off to hide your Wi-Fi from appearing in device lists. Even when hidden, your devices can still connect if they know the network name and password. It just won't show publicly. Step 4. Save your changes. Click Save or Apply in the settings to update your network. The gateway may restart briefly to apply the new settings. Step 5. Connect devices manually. After hiding the network, you'll need to enter the SSID and password manually on any device that wants to connect. If you forget the network name exactly, your device won't connect, so note it carefully. Important notes. Hiding the network doesn't improve speed or encryption, it's purely for privacy. Keep your Wi-Fi password strong to prevent unauthorized access. Some older devices may have trouble connecting to a hidden network. Check compatibility if needed. And that's it. Your T-Mobile internet network is now hidden and more secure. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.